Morning all, we're in Dagenham today with this lovely Mercedes-Benz 1993 320, very low mileage, 89,000, customer only does about 1,000 miles a year in it now. Basically you can just feel that it's not running how it used to, probably through lack of use as much as anything else because it's well serviced. Therefore he's got us out doing a two-stage carbon clean on it for him. That's our hydrogen clean machine working on it right now, and our injector cleaner as well. So yeah, he's very keen to see how he gets on with this and the benefits it gives him. Just show you around the car, it's absolutely stunning for its age actually. He's got big plans for this vehicle by the sounds of it. Give it a quick rev. Absolutely spotless. Lovely vehicle. So yeah, we work on old vehicles, new vehicles, light commercials, consumer vehicles, anything with a petrol or a diesel engine effectively. If you need our assistance, give us a call on 01293 769495. Have a great day.